What's up guys? Today I'm going to be attempting to digitize and embroider one of derschutze's designs. If it wasn't for derschutze, I probably would have never started this. I kind of want to just challenge myself for this video. I think the hardest part for me will be selecting the right colors, but whatever. It's called a challenge for a reason. Whether I succeed or fail, I'm still going to upload it. Alright. Not gonna lie, I was about to quit because it was so hard for me to see the details. Like, I could tell that these sections are different colors. So I decided to just search up an image of it on Google, and the customer photo shows what it actually looks like. I don't know how they do it, but when they take the photos, it makes the embroidery look like 10 times better than it actually is. Whatever, I guess this will have to be a reference. Pretty much done, and now I'm gonna start the embroidery process. Since I'm not selling this piece, I don't feel like making any more revisions to it. I think it's good enough as it is. So yeah, check out these close-up photos that I posted on my Instagram. So this was actually a bit more challenging than I anticipated, but I'm really proud of the outcome nonetheless. I hope I can inspire some of you guys to pick up on digitizing as well. If you want to support me, check out my website, coryzuru.com, and stay updated on my Instagram at coryzuru. Thanks guys.